Hello everyone, here's Mayuri back with the new tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to see Java program execution. And my dear friends, in this tutorial I am going to tell you how exactly the program flows, how exactly it executes, from where it starts the execution, what happens internally. And my dear friends, believe me, if you understand this, you can write, you can do any logic program. So my dear friends, let's begin it. Now here you can see I have the folder in XYZ, and here I have already done one program. Here I have taken the class rectangle which contains two methods, two members of it, data members, and here you can see here I also included class rect area, right? That means here it contains two classes, right? Class rect and the rectangle. Now here you can see here I have used a class rect area, and while saving also I have saved rect area. Why I have not taken the rectangle class? My dear friends, you can see it has ended above the rect area class. That means rectangle class at end. And if you see the class rect area contain the main method, that means you can see that while saving I have saved rect area.java because the main method is inside rect area, and so I had saved it. Okay, now as we know, the program executions first it compile, right, by Java C. See here I am compiling the file. That means my source code get converted into bytecode. Here I have compiled using the Java C tool. Here it has compiled successfully. Now here my dear friends, you can see the class file has created, which is nothing but the bytecode. If I open it, you can see this is the bytecode which has converted when I compile the code. Class file is nothing but the bytecode of your source code. Now here what I will do, that bytecode I will convert into a machine language which is done by JVM, which is nothing but Java virtual machine by the interpreter. You can see here I have came the output. Now here how the output have came, so let's begin it. As we know, every program execution start with void main class, right? Now here I have taken integer area1, area2, and here I have taken the two objects rect1, rect2 as new keyword I have used for creating the object in Java. Now here you can see I have taken length and width as its properties, then void get data, the method which contains two parameters, integer x comma integer y. Then I have taken the rect area, right? In get data I have taken the two parameters which I have assigned to length and width. Here the return type of rect area is integer. Okay, why I have taken it? Because whatever the calculation here I am doing of area, that is means I am returning the area and its return type is int. Hence the return type of method will be integer. Now here you can see using the rect1 object I am calculating rect1 dot length is equal to 12 and rect1 dot width is equal to 23, and here I have calculated the area where I have did rect1 into length into rect1 into width, right? And this area I have printed. Now if you see the rect2 dot get data, now here get data contains two parameters, right? Above you can see. Now from this the flow go upper side, that is void get data, and whatever the values are there it will assign to x and y. If you see inside that body of that, you can see it is directly assigned to length and width. That means that both values will be assigned to length and width. Now here again from where it was called, you can see here, right, this to 23 and 14 will be assigned to length and width, right? From that here flow goes up here, that is get data. Now again it has closed. Now again from where it was called it will come again here downside. Okay, now here at the below you can see area2, then rect2 dot rect area. From here where will be flow go? At rect area method that I have declared above, you can see rect area. That means it will return the area to a rect area, means whatever the calculation will be done it will return to a method. Again it will return to a method, and this method was called from where? From here main method, you can see. and this rect area, it will come again here, and whatever the written is there of area, whatever the value will be written, it is printed at area 2, and here using the system.out.println I have printed it. So my dear friends, I have told you how exactly the program executes in Java step by step. Hope you understand it. If you have any type of question, you can mention in the comment, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it so that you will get notification as soon as I do my next video. And thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.